Are you ready to make some good food fast? I am grilling in the microwave today. And you heard me right. I said grilling and microwave in the same sentence. We are grilling salmon in the MicroPro grill, in the microwave, and it's gonna be so good. All you need for this recipe is 1 or 2 pieces of salmon and your favorite fish marinade. I love a teriyaki or a ginger-based marinade, and then you also can do some additional seasoning with salt and with pepper. Now, first we're going to season the salmon with salt and pepper. So that's what we're gonna do first. Okay, so salt and pepper on one side, flip it over, skin side down, salt and pepper the second side, and then we are going to pour our sauce on top. And we're going to season this and cook it first, skin side down, okay? So we're just gonna brush that up, season a little bit, spread our marinade. And like I said, I'm using a teriyaki based marinade today. And then we are going to place both of our pieces of salmon skin side down in our MicroPro grill. Okay, skin side down in the MicroPro grill, and we are going to put the top on in the grill position, and that means that the grill plate is actually touching the food. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes in the microwave, you're going to flip your salmon over. At this point, if you'd like, you can easily peel your skin off, and then we are going to add some marinade to the other side, and then we're gonna pop it back in the microwave. This is gonna go back in the microwave for another 4 minutes. And remember, you're gonna put the top on with the grill side on the meat. With the MicroPro grill, you can grill inside year-round regardless of the weather. Silicone on the feet, the bottom, and the sides and the top of the grill are what allow you to put metal in the microwave. We have metal plates on the top and on the bottom of the grill that provide even heating on both sides of your food while maintaining a temperature of 428 degrees. You can see that it has a non-stick interior, and that makes it super easy to clean. There are 2 positions that your MicroPro grill operates in. In the grill position, you'll see this way, your grill actually touches the food. And this is perfect for steaks, pork chops, hamburgers, fish, and veggies. Now, if you take the top and you turn it 90 degrees, then you have what we call the casserole position. And in the casserole position, the grill plate does not touch the food. So you can even bake in here in your microwave. So we're talking cookies, brownies, pasta, and potatoes. And you guys know that the microwave uses less energy than major appliances. And so when the temperatures are soaring outside, your microwave won't heat up your house and add to your misery. Let me just tell you, MicroPro grill to the rescue. Here we go. Dinner is done. Look at our beautiful salmon with teriyaki. Now, with the MicroPro grill, you can cook your salmon to your likeness, which means you may want to cook it a little bit longer or you may want to cook it a little bit shorter. But yours will come sizzling out of the microwave just like ours did. And let me just tell you that cooking your own meal is so much better and cheaper than paying a restaurant to do it. And then all you have to do is pop any leftovers in any of your Tupperware storage containers for easy heating later. Now, y'all, you can make good food fast at home. You just need the right tools to help you do it. Be sure to add this to your gotta have it list. Better yet, book your own party and get it for half price. Because did you know that we have an entire line of premium products to help you get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less? I can sure help you make some good food fast for your family.